So today we're going to be going over the ClashPerk bot once again for your Discord. I had a lot of comments and a lot of questions for commands for the ClashPerk bot on the original video I did. I'll leave a link down in the description below for that video. So we did a follow-up video with some more commands for the ClashPerk bot. So I'll leave a link for that one as well. But today's video is one that I think you're going to absolutely love, and that is for the reminder command for the ClashPerk bot. This is going to ensure that no one inside of your clan ever misses a single war hit once again. But anyway, let's jump in this video. Let's show you how to set it up and how we can make sure that everyone is notified for their war hit inside of Clash of Clans. The command that we're going to be using today is for a reminder. That way it will notify whenever someone has a hit left inside of wars or CWLs. And so that command is just slash reminder. It brings up the list right here of all the different commands that are options that are available for the reminder. So we're going to reminders list, delete. But first thing we need to do is create one. So let's go to reminders, create. It's going to ask you for the type of command that you want. For today's video, we're going to be doing clan wars, but you can use it for capital raids and clan games as well. The next thing we're going to be doing is choosing the duration of wartime left. For today's video, we're going to be choosing war hour. That seemed the most obvious one. I do have one set for our clan, set to 30 minutes prior to the end of war. But I need to set up another one actually for the 1 hour mark. But what we're going to do is we're going to hit 1 hour. That way, when there's 1 hour left in war, it will send this notification out to your Discord. And now we need to put in the message that we need to send to Discord. So what I do is hit at everyone. That way it notifies everyone on the Discord. So at everyone. Then we choose the message that we're going to type out. So be sure to get your war hits in. To get your war hits in. And that's just very simple, straightforward, to the point. Then we need to choose the clan that we want. In this case here, I have the Sick Gamers Lounge clan set up. So we need to choose that clan right here. And now at the reminder at 1 hour, we're going to send that message out. Be sure to get your war hits in to the clan Sick Gamers Lounge. So hit enter. ClashPerk's going to do a few things. And then you're going to allow to choose the types of wars that you want to do. Whether you want to do a normal, friendly, CWLs, whether you want 1 hit remaining or 2 hits remaining, and what town hall levels, and also whether or not it's going to be applied to leaders, co-leaders, elders, and members. So right now we want to do this for every single type of war, whether it's normal, whether it's friendly, or CWL. We want if there's 1 hit remaining or 2 hits remaining, and for all town halls from town hall 2 all the way up to town hall 16, and for every rank inside of the clan as well. So let's save this just like it is. Think about it for a minute, and it should successfully save this command or this reminder. Whenever there is 1 hour left in war, it will send out a clan message to everyone, notifying anyone that has at least 1 or 2 hits left inside of war that they have not done their second attack yet. So now let me give you an example of what it looks like. So let me go to our clan real quick. We are going to go to Dynasty Bots Forever. And we're going to scroll up to the reminder. So here we are for our most recent war. We had Dynasty Forever. Everyone get your attacks in, 30 minutes left. So I add that remark at the 30-minute mark. We had one person who hadn't done their hit yet. That was Average Gamer, who had 30 minutes left in war to do his secondary attack. If there was more than one attacker that needed to do their attack in war, it would have showed an additional name as well, and also the number of hits that they needed to do also. Okay, so let's go back to the Sick Gamers test server real quick. So we already created the message, pretty much the exact same message that we have in our Discord as well for Dynasty Clans. But there are some other options that go along with the reminder. That way you can go in here. Let's go hit reminder one more time. And you can hit list the type reminders. It will actually show you every reminder that you have set up. So let's go hit reminders list. It's going to choose which ones you have for. So let's go clan wars. Then we can use clans. And we can go there, press enter. And now it shows us all the reminders that we have set up, what channel they are in, what roles they are, what town halls they are, how many remaining hits they have left, the war type, and what clan it applies to, and then the message that will be sent out to your Discord. Okay, so let's just say that we want to use this as a temporary reminder, maybe just for one specific set of wars, or maybe just for CWL. So we need to get rid of this command. That way it doesn't pop up for every single war. So let's go back to reminders. And this time we need to go to reminders delete. So we're going to click on that. It's going to ask us what kind of reminder that we want to delete. So let's do clan wars. It's going to ask you for the ID, and the ID is what we have located right here whenever we do the reminders list. That is the 9365B. So we're going to do ID. And this is only in the event that we want to delete one specific command, or we can delete all the commands together. So let's do 9365B. Press enter, and we have successfully deleted the reminder with the ID 9365B. So let's go back one more time. Reminders. Let's go list. Let's go clan wars. Let's go clans. And then we're going to choose C Gamers Lounge. And it should come back. No reminders were found for the specified channel or clan. And that is just how simple it is to set up reminders for your clans, get their war hits done, get their CWL hits done, get the clan games done, and get the capital raids done as well. If you'd like to see me cover some more commands inside of ClashPerk, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll try and get some videos done on them as well. But anyway, until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.